Hello and welcome to my video tutorial today. Today we'll be attempting a notepad. These are the materials: a cardboard, a drawing paper, scissor, glue, stapler, a small thread, some pieces of white paper as a note paper, and a small brown paper. Okay, now what we have to do is I'm taking this red color. You can take any other color you want, whatever color suits you or the paper available near you. I'm using a colored cartridge paper. It's a pink. By taking the measurement, you have to stick the entire paper onto the board. You have to decide about the size of the board you want in advance. I'm taking a small A4 size, little bit of smaller than the A4 size. You can take a bigger size board if it is available to you, and some few kite papers or marble paper can be useful too to paste it onto the board. I'm using this red paper to paste onto the board because I don't want the shine of the paper here. I just want the white paper to look good in it. So after cutting the corners of the paper, apply glue on both the side of the uh, paper or board, because if you are not if you are not applying glue onto the front side, the paper may come out, it may bulge, thus it gives a look uh, which will not be suitable. It will not look good, so we'll be sticking the note papers onto the front side of this notepad with the help of a stapler. Now if the paper is bulging, uh, it will be difficult for us to staple the paper on it. I've taken is small pieces of this 5 sheets. You can take a bigger paper if you want. I have taken a small number of papers so that it becomes easy for me to staple it on to the board. If um, if there is a problem while stapling the paper onto the board, you can stick the paper with the help of the glue over one another, so that it becomes easier for you to tear the paper when you write the note. Now with the help of small uh, piece of yellow paper, I have written notes on it, and with the help of a scissor I have taken out the letters, and I will arrange the alphabets onto the top of this notepad, so that uh, it looks good. The top portion of the pad will be blank. So if I put a alphabet of like the way which I have done, It looks good. But yes, you can experiment with different kinds of images too. Like if you want to paste a cartoon character, you can paste a cartoon character on the top of it. You can make it a personalized look. You can also paint or draw a strip of paper of that side and can paste it onto the portion. Now I'm just using the toothpick to make a hole so that I can put the thread inside it. Be careful while attempting this hole making process, uh, be sure that you have already gummed the paper properly and they are evenly on the surface, nothing is coming out. You can use any kind of thread. This is a small thread which I have. You can keep on experimenting with the color and the size and the thickness of the paper. And now I want a small loop um, which I have made by using a small brown paper. The color is always optional, you can choose any color you want. So I'm making a loop from a small piece of paper. I want uh, a pen holder there on the right side, because whenever we want to write some note, uh, it is really difficult for us to find a pen at that moment. So that is why I want a pen holder too there, so that you can find the pen also. You can add a pencil. I want the pen to be hanged on to that loop. You can keep the pen in any way you like. Furthermore, you can make a small hole on to the corner and can tie a thread onto the pen so that it hangs. You can put the pen inside and attach with a loop, or outside, wherever you want. Thank you for watching.